Hi, welcome back to Buona Pappa. Today we're going to prepare together a baby puree. We are going to prepare beet, apple and chia baby puree. This is a recipe for babies starting from 6 months of age. Recently, I published a video about smoothies using breast milk. Today's recipe is another one where you can use any extra amount of breast milk or even baby formula. It's a super yummy recipe, nutritious, and I'm going to use chia seeds. Sometimes I receive questions about chia seeds. Can I give chia seeds to my little ones starting from 6 months of age? The reply is yes, with moderation. Chia seeds are a lovely seed that has many good properties. First of all, from a nutritional point of view, is loaded with proteins, healthy fats for your baby's development. Also, you don't need to grind this seed in order to have the nutrients absorbed by the body. So you can simply eat the chia seeds and your body will absorb all the good stuff inside. On the other side, the chia seeds, they are very rich in fiber. So that it means that a moderate amount of chia seeds will help your baby's bowel movement. But if you give too much, then it might cause a tummy ache or even some diarrhea. And we do not want to reach that point. So moderation is the key. In this recipe, you will see I only add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and it's totally perfect, even for little ones. If your little one is older than 6 months, so 9-10 months, you can even add a bit more. So the older your little one is, the more chia you can add. But let's start together this super simple and super yummy recipe. The king ingredient in this recipe are beets. Beets are in season right now. They are gorgeous. They are loaded with antioxidants, but they also have a very powerful taste. That's why we're going to balance the powerful taste of beets with banana and apple that are more baby friendly. So this is another recipe that is perfect to introduce a new food to your little one with known food. So banana and apple, very mild flavor, very baby friendly, with the new one, just a bit of beet. But let's start together. First of all, we're going to cook our beet. I'm going to fill a pot with water. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add my beet, simply like that. And I'm going to boil my beet for at least half an hour. The bigger the beet, the more time you will require. The trick is usually when you think that the beet is ready to insert a fork in the center, and if you see that the fork will easily go inside, the beet will be ready. Then we are going to remove the peel from our beet, simply washing it under running water. Today I'm not going to cook the apple. That's why I'm going to peel the apple so that it will be easier to digest, and I'm going to grate my apple and transform it in a very fine puree. In a nice tall container, I'm going to add the grated apple, the banana, and the banana, as you can see, has nice brown dots. It means that it's super sweet. The beet and the chia seeds. Using an immersion blender, I'm going to create a nice and smooth puree. At this point, you will know the quantity that your little one will be able to eat in one meal. That's when you will need to remove that quantity and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of breast milk. Why we're adding the breast milk only to the quantity that you know that your baby will eat? Because we do not want to waste breast milk. It's so precious, it's like gold. You can save the leftover of the fruit puree in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 3 days, or you can even freeze them. And simply add some breast milk to the quantity that you're going to immediately offer to your little one. In this way, you will not have wasted not even a single drop of breast milk. If you don't have breast milk, no problem. You can add either baby formula or any kind of non-dairy milk like coconut milk milk or even warm water. It will work. This is a lovely recipe that will give nutrients to your little one, and it will also introduce a new flavor, beets, if your little one is not used to. Also, you can play with the proportions. If your little one doesn't like beets, you can really reduce the quantity to half, so that the banana and the apple basically will cover the flavor of the beet. And then slowly, through time, keep adding. Because remember, babies, kids, and toddlers, they need to be exposed many and many times to the same food before really enjoying it. So if at the first attempt your little ones will just scream, don't worry. It doesn't mean that he doesn't like the food. It only means that it's something new, and he or she needs to get used to it. I really hope your little one will enjoy this recipe. If you want to leave me comments or if you're looking for the ingredients, check out the links in the area here below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to Buona Pappa if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!